how biggest this airdrop would be. If you notice their fund, there is $307 million. Okay, so just assume that they given even airdrop, their airdrop is still live. So if you notice that their airdrop is still live, you can join now. Okay, so I will show you step by step, you know, step by step, um you, you know, uh, step by step, I will show you. Okay, so what you need to do in order to join, everything you will see here. So I'm clicking on this view activity, and here is I'm showing you how you can join. So everything is here. Open their website, Twitter, as well as who investing and Twitter Square. Okay, so here is inside of this company OneFootball. um, if you notice that I'm showing you again, Union Square Venture, any mocha brands, Draper Labs, even Adidas, one of the biggest brands. Okay, so I'm closing this thing, and now here is time 10 minutes for join airdrop, and points would be earned in order to doing your task, and that point will be later time in money. Okay, and airdrop is confirmed, they will definitely give you, but when will be they give, there is not certain here. However, what you need to do is scroll down here, and here is everything has been show you. OneFootball has some task for which we make airdrop in the futures. For some tasks you will need to ropcast. You can find full ropcast forecaster guide here. Go to the website and register in convenient way. So here is one thing I want to show you, that you don't need to have a ropcast if you want to skip this task. Okay, feel free to skip this task, no problem. And here is, if I do is called complete simple social task and get balls, don't forget the daily check-in. So here is, if you show this profile picture, this is your task. Okay, invite friends for getting extra point. Okay, so I'm going to go my task section. So in order to getting task link, come into telegram link inside of this video's description box, and here is, click this link and go to browser and paste on your extension browser where you have MetaMask. Okay, that is pretty much would be easy for you, because without MetaMask you cannot join any Web3 offer. Web3 mean, you know, your they need, address like connect MetaMask, like some word or phrase your wallet is contained while you first, get into your wallet, get set up your wallet. Okay, 24 words. So therefore, you don't need any kind of handle like you use as you use on other social media, like Facebook, Twitter, even your YouTube has handle. Okay, so first connect your wallet here, and here is activities. I already done couple of activities. So here is one thing they are written by, if I do zoom in here, win balls in the Arc 8 app. I'm showing you, don't be confused here, and make sure you use the same wallet as here. I'm using this wallet, and they say that go to Arc 8 wallet, Arc 8 profile, and connect your same wallet there, that is as you're using here, and what say that, and pair your wallet. Okay, in here it is the same as you're doing here. Okay, so anyhow, I already did this, just I'm going to show you. So here is the provide link, here is profile link, here is download link. Okay, so if I go to profile first, okay, sorry, just paste on this link, click upon on and tap 2 to 3 seconds, you already know how to copy, and click this open button and go your same browser that you are using. And I'm inside of Arc 8 profile because I already set it up. I did it in the morning. Now I'm recording in night. Okay, so here is loading Arc 8 profile. So what you need to do, click on this token loading, and here is connect wallet. Click this MetaMask, and MetaMask will gain confirmation from your tapping, and just give and confirm, and it will be immediately done. Okay, nothing complex here. It's straightforward. It's like games. Okay, but end of the month you will get real value, that's money. So click the switch in order to change your network, and here is my wallet connected. Okay, if you noticed here, and that is the work. If I come back again here, you need to download their apps. So if I go here again, if I want to play, okay. So one thing I need to make sure you that while you come into this Arc 8, you need to join by your Google as well. Okay, same Google account use in your apps. Okay, I already download these apps. I'm showing you. I'm going to go again here, and here is they provide what they said. As you use, okay, and pair wallet, ensure it is the same on you use as here. Next, download the Arc 8 app. It's available iPhone and Android both of, and click the same like download link, and it will be open. Okay, click this open link or open button, go to same browser or whatever browser, because it is downloaded. It will bring you inside of the Chrome, inside of the App Store. So here we click on this download button, and that will bring you Google Play Store. Okay, so here is I already installed it. Now if you click on this play button, and here is I will suggest you uh, always always do login while always do login by your Gmail that you did Arc 8 profile setup. Okay, it will be better, because if I show you inside of my apps here, I already connected in website. Okay, browser my wallet, but inside of apps I cannot connect my MetaMask here, because how can I connect, because MetaMask is extension, and here it is Play Store apps. Okay, so anyhow, if I click on again here, it doesn't make sense to me what happened. Maybe network problem. I'm clicking on my, maybe I do play. Okay, I don't want to. Anyhow, okay, I'm going to go here again, click this here. Okay, so here is, if I click this wallet, and here we see, you are seeing that my wallet is connected to external wallet in the apps, because I did connect it with its Arc 8. I did connect in website, it's apps, but I connect in here. Okay, I'm showing you, I connect in here. I'm connect by this profile setup. Okay, just click on there, click this MetaMask. I already showed you, you already knows, and what you need to do, everything you do, I'm showing you, sorry, everything you do after connecting your wallet in the Arc 8 profile, and after install these apps, everything you do by these apps, they can tracking you. This website DFrom will track you, and that are you joined play OFC striker? Yeah, I joined, therefore I get done this. I will get 50,000 points in the total RFs OFC striker. If I showed you, I haven't. So if I go to that games again, let me show you. So let's say, okay, I'm going to games. Okay, I'm going to games and that OFC. Okay. Okay, I'm just scrolling here, or okay. So uh, OFC striker I'm looking for now. I'm not getting this. I don't know. Let me see. Okay, so maybe I can found here. Okay, this one. Your best scores on football striker. Okay, if I go to that thing, and here is searching that from with people you want to fight, and here is one. I don't want to do this. I fucked up. I don't like this type of thing, and do close. Okay, so whatever it is, that my point is not so much. Okay, the two, I haven't earned like 50,000. Therefore, if I click on this let's go, and if okay, hypothetically I'm clicking on there, and if I do that, it doesn't work. Why? Because I I didn't fulfill their terms and conditions. Okay, I'll try in tomorrow, but I'm showing you how it is can do, how it is work. Okay, so if you do 20 mass inside of that, I never did it. I did maybe 2, 5, 10, something like that. Okay, it doesn't work because I didn't do that. But uh, other sales is work. So if you feel like this two task is complicated, just cross them. You don't need to do, and do every work that has been added inside of here. I've already earned 300 1350 point. Okay, 1350 point, and that is pretty much okay. I like it. So this is the video. There was 370 million, they are fundraising. It is emerging and astounding. So if you do like this video, please do subscribe. That's it, and come into Telegram and being part of the community. That I would be glad you if you do.